Carrot Top don't got nothing on me. Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing, sis? I took a little break, so I did not post on Monday, and that's okay. That's okay. I just needed a moment. But I'm back today, and today we're back with Wig Out Wednesday. So of course, you know, we styled, did something with a wig, and here is what we did. I don't know if y'all remember this wig. I've thrown this wig on in a few videos. I actually did a video of me coloring this wig. I'm gonna link it down in the comments. I did this ginger color myself. So I was thinking about it, and I was like, I want a fro, but I want a colored fro. And I was like, you know what? Let me put some perm rods in my ginger wig. And this is how it came out. This wig is a naturally curly hair wig, and I would only do the style on a naturally curly wig because I think it'll take the curls better. But if you love how this came out, go ahead and continue to watch. This is literally a natural girl style. Like, this looks like I dyed my actual hair ginger and put some perm rods in it. Tell me it don't. Yeah, I know. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and continue to watch. Before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into the tutorial pool. Hey guys, so I've done most of it because honestly a lot of these things are just like repetitive. So I'm using my spray bottle with coconut oil, and then I'm using my Lotta body mousse foam, and of course my Demon brush, and all I'm gonna do is just section off the front. This is the frontal area of the hair, so I did want to go ahead and part the back of it properly so that when it was on my head it did look natural, like it was my hair. That is the point. So you're just gonna comb that through, and then you're just gonna add your purple perm rods or white. I used a mixture of the two because I didn't have enough perm rods to do the whole style with just purple. But I think putting the white in it was fine. Just make sure you take the same amount of sections of hair when you do the white ones or the smaller ones so that it looks the same. So I'm just going to put the mousse, put the water, and then put it around the perm rod after combing it out. It's really, really simple, you guys. The thing about this is that you want to make sure you're placing the perm rods in the right direction so the hair falls the way you want it to. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting them to the front because I want it to be like that afro curly look as you saw in the beginning of the video. Okay, so like I said, just keep brushing through, add the water, add the foaming mousse, and then you add the perm rod. Very simple, right? Yeah, I know. Now, the part about this that makes sense is that you want to do this a day ahead of time, at least 12 hours. I'm adding some more mousse right now just to make sure it stays, but I didn't use hard mousse because I wanted the curls to be fluffy. I didn't want them to be hard. So make sure you're doing that at least 12 hours in advance so that when you take it off, you have to make sure the hair is completely dry before you take these rods out, just like if it was in your natural hair. It's literally the same process if you're a natural hair girl. It's the same thing, but I did it on a wig because honestly, it's less, you know, work with having your real hair out. So that was the first curl that I'm taking out now. I just wanted to see how it looked on my phone camera. And I am just going to pull these curls out one by one. And you're going to just pull them out by twisting the rod and just holding that hair and just grabbing it out. That way it doesn't snag if you do have any snags. And it comes out and the curl is perfect and it goes in the direction that you would like it. As you can see, honestly, as I was taking it down, I was already falling in love with it. Like, I was like, ooh, this is nice. Alright, so you want to make sure the wig is on right, of course. I did not lay this down. I just put it on. I have an elastic band on it. So this is glueless, so I could just throw it on and take it off. Because if I wear this for a few days, even though I'm in the house, like, I want to make sure that I don't mess up my curls. Like, hello. So what I'm doing now is I'm just breaking apart the curls. You're going to do each curl in about 4 pieces. But I'm also teasing it up. I was going to use a pick, but then I was afraid that the pick wouldn't give me what I wanted. So what you see me doing is kind of like picking it with my hair, like bringing it upward so it kind of froze a little bit more, and doesn't have that like flat look, because I want it to have a shape to it. And that's what's really important to make these styles look really great. You want to make sure that you're also shaping this hair so that it gives you a nice shape and it gives you that natural look. So even here in the front, like you see me like kind of separating the curls, but also pulling it up so that it gives that fro effect. And that, I think that's what makes it look really, really cute. Alright, so I'm just doing that over and over. This is a process. You're just going to have to keep touching and playing and moving and pulling. And that's just really how this part works. And that's honestly it, guys. It was a really quick tutorial. It takes a few hours just because the hair has to set, but once it's done, it's super cute and effortless, and I think it looks really, really natural. Let me know what you think about this style in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Gang, 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 poo. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.